All right, hi there, Pac-Manians. We're here with 9.6. This is the first page. It's all about problem solving. So this is really just about reading the problem, understanding what's asked. Don't freak out. Take your time and pick out the pieces that you need. For this lesson, they're going to add this third section up here. So we got the little table of related number patterns. And remember, like I said in the previous lesson, that if there's a pattern, I can connect this one to this one or this one to that one. Any of these rows can be connected to any other row because there is a pattern. So we're going to investigate this, see which kinds of relationships we want to use in order to solve the problem. But the first thing you need to do is understand the problem and pull out the pieces that you're going to use. So let's take a look at the first problem here. We've got an archaeological dig. On an archaeological dig, Gabriel separates his dig site into sections with areas of 15 square feet. There are 3 archaeological members digging in every section. What is the area of the dig site if 21 members are digging at one time? That is a lot to digest. But there's 3 things. We've got sections, we've got 15 square feet, and we've got 3 archaeological members in every section. All right, so those are the 3 things that we're going to need to connect. This right here, that's my question. So what do I need to find? The area of the dig site with 21 members. Area of the dig site with 21 members. Remember, I always look for that question mark right there. Always look for that question mark. That's what you're trying to find. So the rest of the information is what we're going to use in order to get there. Okay, so what information do I need to use? I can use the area of each section, which is, go back to the text, 15 square feet. Okay, and I'm just going to write feet squared because it's easier and quicker. That there are how many members in each? Rhymes with Shmi. That's right, 3. Okay. And that there are 21 members digging. So this is the part where we're going to have to find out how it relates to the other numbers. How will I use the information? I will use the information to search for patterns to solve we're going to do a multiplication problem, but it could just as well be division, because multiplication and division are what kind of operations? They don't do each other. Right, inverse operations. So just depending on where we're at. All right, so we go down here. By the way, brought a little somebody with me. You guys recognize this? Stick of Justice. Anyway, we go down here to the bottom, and what side of this table do we want to look at in order to get our rules? Do we want to look at the end with the large numbers or the end with the small numbers? I'm thinking small numbers makes it really easy, especially going from sections to number of members. I just write a little multiplication sign right here, put a line, and what do I multiply 1 by to get 3? 3, that's right. Okay, so multiply by 3 is going to go here. And to go from 3 to 15, I multiply by 3 times what is 15? Or 15 divided by 3, either way, is 5. That's right. So I'm going to put a little 5 right there. Put my little 5 right here. And if I wanted to go from section 1 all the way down to area, what would my operation be then? Multiply, it's 1 to 15 times 15. Notice that we can connect these, right? And what's 3 times 5? 15, right? If I want to go this way, then I divide. So multiply going down, inverse operations going up for division. So I can multiply the number of sections right here by what to find the number of members? 3. And I can multiply the number of members by, to find the total area, what would I multiply by? 5. Okay. If I wanted to, I can take 7 and multiply it by 15 to get this number, or I take 21 and multiply it by 5. So I'm going to write 21 times 5. What's 5 times 1? 5, exactly. And 5 times 2, 10. Good. And so the digging is 105 square feet. So the main thing you need to remember is I take that first initial set of data, get my table started, and use that to find my rules. Once I found my rules, I just got to do multiply or divide. All right, coming up at you next, page 2.